Hey friends, if you wish to fix critical service failed blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to rebuild BCD. The command is bootrec space / rebuild BCD. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Hit enter and then it will start running the command. The next solution is to update drivers. How would you update drivers? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then select advanced options. Click on optional updates, install all optional updates. Now return to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. The last solution is system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next, choose a good restore point. Click on next, click on finish and then click on yes finally. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.